into this story. An illegal immigrant is on the run, accused of killing a young woman in a drunken street racing accident. Edwin Mejia was arrested and posted bail. You can see him here in Nebraska, but immigration officials, they never detained him. Why? Well, they say his crimes didn't meet ICE's, quote, enforcement priorities. William Lajeunesse is live for us from our West Coast newsroom. William, walk us through what happened here and why they let this guy go.
Big question is, why would the administration let this illegal immigrant out of jail just days after killing a woman, despite a plea from cops and a previous warrant? So 21-year-old Sarah Root had just graduated from college when police say Edwin Mejia plowed into her car drunk without a license. Omaha police put him in jail, asked ICE to detain him while prosecutors prepared their homicide case. ICE refused, saying Mejia's arrest did not meet their enforcement priorities as outlined by the president and Homeland Security Director Jay Johnson. Outraged, Nebraska Senator Ben Sasse tried but failed to get a straight answer from ICE Director Sarah Saldana.
If an illegal alien kills an American citizen, should ICE let that person go free?
There'll be criminal consequences.
We don't know where the man is.
So Saldana said they couldn't hold because Root wasn't dead. That wasn't true. She also claimed that ICE didn't have time to hold him. Well, police called 4 times starting at 7:30 in the morning for ICE to issue that detainer. They were refused. 12 hours later, they let him go.
Then that begs the question, if this guy wasn't an enforcement priority, who is?
Well, DHS policy says they will only hold a suspect if he has a prior felony conviction, saying last week, quote, based on the totality of circumstances involved when arrested, ICE decided not to issue a detainer at the time. Now, however, he's on ICE's 10 most wanted list. That's little consolation to Sarah's father.
I don't know what else I can say to, it ain't going to bring her back. Somebody's got to be held accountable. Apparently he isn't.
Mejia, who came to the border in 2013 as a minor and was allowed to stay as a refugee, jumped bail. Police believe he is now, Abby, back in Honduras. Back to you.
Not a good situation. William Lajeunesse live for us. William, thank you.